Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Feeds. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your soundbar to your TV step by step using multiple methods like HDMI, digital, optical and Bluetooth. No matter what TV or soundbar brand you have, whether it's Samsung, Sony, LG or any other model, this video will help you get that theater-like sound at home. Now let's jump right in. The best and most recommended method is HDMI ARC or eARC. ARC or ARC for short stand for Audio Return Channel, and eARC is its enhanced version with support for high-res audio like Dolby Atmos and uncompressed audio formats such as Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio. Now I'm not gonna bore you with all these complicated audio jargons, but in short, the HDMI eARC will give you the best sound quality. Another benefit is that you can also use one remote control for both TV and soundbar, which basically works via HDMI CEC. CEC works like a handshake between your TV and soundbar and let both communicate via one remote control, so it's pretty convenient. Now here's how it works. Look at the back of your TV and you will find HDMI port labeled ARC or eARC. Just plug one end of the HDMI cable into this port. Now plug the other end into the HDMI eARC port on your soundbar. Some soundbars do come with an additional HDMI input, so make sure you're not using that. Once the cable connection is done, you can go to your TV setting and head to Sound, Audio Output and select HDMI ARC, or sometimes it's also labeled as wired speakers. Also make sure to enable HDMI CEC from the settings. And that's it. The audio will now route through the soundbar crisp and clear. Okay, here's a quick pro tip. If there's no audio coming, try turning off both the devices, then turning them back on or switching HDMI CEC on and off in settings. If your TV doesn't support HDMI ARC, your next best option is the digital optical cable, also known as SPDIF. And this is how a digital optical cable looks. Now this gives you great sound quality as well and still works across many TVs and soundbars. The signal stays digital without any conversion to analog and sound remains crisp without any audio lag. Of course, there is a downside to this method, and that is it doesn't support a wide variety of audio channels. For instance, you will be able to play up to 5.1 compressed audio only. But if your soundbar is capable of 7.1 channels or Dolby Atmos, then these features simply won't work with this method. Ready to connect your device? Okay, here's how it works. All you have to do is insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's digital audio output. It would look something like this with a small dust cover. Next up, connect the other end of the cable to the soundbar's optical input. Now just like HDMI, you will need to change audio output from your TV settings. So just go to audio output and look for optical or SPDIF. You may also need to select this mode on your soundbar, so make sure to do that too. Another pro tip. Some optical cables come with these plastic covers, so make sure to remove these plastic caps before connecting the cable. If you want a wireless setup, Bluetooth is the easiest way, especially if your TV supports it. This method is probably the best in terms of convenience as there are no cables involved at all and provides a quick way to get everything up and running. But do keep in mind that you may notice a slight audio delay in some cases, especially in movies with fast-paced action scenes. And secondly, not all TVs support a Bluetooth connection. And you may also not be able to use Dolby Atmos, as not all soundbars support this technology wirelessly. Here's what you need to do to connect via Bluetooth. Set your soundbar to Bluetooth pairing mode. On your TV, go to Settings, Bluetooth or Sound, and then select Bluetooth audio device. Select your soundbar from the list and pair it. And you're done. The audio will now play via Bluetooth from your TV to your soundbar. Now that you know how to connect soundbar to your TV, here are some tips to keep in mind. Always check that the TV sound output setting matches the connection you are using. This will save you a lot of trouble down the road. On HDMI ARC, ensure that HDMI CEC is turned on for full control, as this will allow you to use one remote control to control your both devices. If Bluetooth isn't syncing well, try removing and repairing the device, and you can also try resyncing the audio from soundbar settings. For optical or HDMI ARC, make sure your soundbar input source is correctly set. And there you have it, all the methods you needed to connect your soundbar to your TV. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials, reviews and setup guides. Got a question about your specific TV or soundbar? Drop it in the comments. I'll read and reply to all of them. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded sound.